The ongoing construction of the new Gombe State House of Assembly complex has suffered a major setback following the collapse of a section of the building, leaving one worker dead and 7 others injured. The incident occurred on Friday evening, July 10, 2026. 3 of the victims were evacuated to the Federal Teaching Hospital Gombe, while 5 others were taken to the Gombe State Specialist Hospital for medical treatment. One of the victims was confirmed dead, while the 7 others sustained varying degrees of injuries.
Muna can sama ne, wurin babba ne. To muna da mun yi rabi ne ma, to sai aka ce mana tun da yamma yayi mu sauko mu bari sai gobe, in ya so sai mu zo mu karasa. Saura ɗan kaɗan ne ma wanda ya rage. To a garin za mu sauko kenan fa, muna tsaye kenan za mu to kenan. Ko sai abun muka ga koyi abu ya rikito koyi.
Muka ji mun faɗo a ƙasa, to sauran mu ma ba san a ta ina suke ba.
Gaskiya abun ba kyan gani sosai.
The head of Operation National Emergency Management Agency, NEMA, Gombe Operations Office, Ummana Ahmed, confirmed the incident.
It was a building collapse. We are here to visit those that are injured and to witness with our eyes what happened. We have witnessed 2 injured here in FTH. 1 is dead. So we are going to another hospital to see others.
Speaking at Gombe State Specialist Hospital, Ummana Ahmed assured that all the injured victims were receiving medical attention. She also noted that this is the first recorded building collapse in Gombe State.
All of them they have gotten various degrees of injuries. We left about 2 in this FTH and 5 are here in the specialist hospital. They are now receiving treatment. This is the first building collapse we are witnessing.
In a statement issued by the Permanent Secretary, Gombe State Minister of Works, Housing and Transportation, Dalladi Adamu, the state government confirmed that the section of the building entrance canopy at the construction site collapsed, resulting in 1 death and injuries to 7 workers. The statement added that Governor Muhammadu Inuwahaya has ordered an immediate investigation into the incident, directed that all injured victims receive treatment at government expense, and instructed the contractor and project consultant to submit detailed incident and investigation report within 24 hours. The government reaffirmed its commitment to safety, quality, and strict compliance with engineering standards in all public infrastructure projects. Efforts by Nexus channels to obtain the reaction of the construction company handling the project were unsuccessful, as an official of the company requested that our reporter contact the firm on Saturday for an official response. The exact cause of the collapse is yet to be determined as investigations continue. From Gombe, Kamal Hammajo reporting for Nexus Channels.